friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're gonna unbag and play with the products in this month's Apocalyptic Beauty bag. The theme this month is Forest Witch. I love greens and I imagine there are a bunch of greens in here. I love this bag. I think it's so cute. It's this plushy velvet, but it's the good feeling kind of velvet. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes there are velvets that just feel scratchy and bad. This is very soft and plushy. This subscription is $12.50 a month. You get like 4 to 6 products from their brand, and I'm always really excited. It's always kind of Halloween-y, creepy-ish kind of themed, and I'm always thrilled to get it. It's like getting a present every month. I'm not affiliated with them in any single way. I buy this myself. I discovered it through a friend, and that's about it. The first thing we got in the bag is some candy. They always give me candy. I'm gonna eat some Skittles right now. We have 5 makeup products in this bag. The first thing we have is this liquid lipstick. I don't know how to pronounce it. S-I-G-I-L. Sigil. I don't know. There's always something in these bags I can't pronounce. Let's see what this color looks like. Ignore this swatch. I was swatching something else earlier. Oh. It's like a brownish plumish. Oh, it's so good. It smells kind of good too. It smells kind of fruity. Kind of smells like Skittles actually. I'm excited to put that on my mouth. We have 3 shadows. The first one being Nymph. Ooh, this one looks cute. It's like a light shimmery green color. Oh, that's so pretty. That's gonna be my inner corner highlight. I already know it. Next we have Wildcraft, and I already know I love this. Holy cow. It's this really pretty deeper green with these gold shimmers in it. Oh, that's so pretty. And last we have Totem. It looks like this nice shimmery brown color. Oh, that's cute too. I expected it to be a little darker, but I'm sure it'll build up. I've noticed with these shadows they build up really easy. So we got 3 shimmers this time, so I'll probably be dipping into my Menagerie Feral palette. I just feel like it suits this. I'll probably use some of these matte browns with it. And the last thing we got is a loose glitter, and it's called Moon Ritual. And it's so cute. You guys can't really see that, and I can't swatch glitter, but it's got all these different shades of green, all these different shaped glitters. There's little leaves in it. That looks really cute. I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I feel like I say that every time, but it's true. We're just gonna create something, and that's gonna be that. So just to simply start it out, I'm just gonna take Alpha from the Menagerie Cosmetics Feral palettes. I just have this on a Luxie dual-ended brush. I'm just using the blending side. And I want heavy focus in the outer corner, because that's usually what I like. So I'm just kind of packing this pigment down, and then I will lightly carry it through the crease as well. It's like my bangs are too long. I just trimmed them, but I obviously did not trim them enough. They are always in my way. Now I'm just going to take Canis Lupus, and I just have that on a dual-ended Anastasia brush. I'm just using the blending side for that. And I'm just going to kind of blend on top of what we just did, just a little bit higher. And then I will go back in with more of that darker brown, but this stuff isn't really that important to this look. I'm more just laying down a matte base in the crease so that I can play with those shimmers in a second. I personally don't love shimmers in the crease. I just feel like it makes my eyelid area look older. Not to say you can't do that, but I just personally don't love it. So now I'm going to take Totem on the shadow side of that Luxie brush. It's that brown color. And I'm going to begin to just kind of pat this in the outer corner area, because I'm going to save the rest of my lid space for the green. It's honestly a really, really pretty shimmer. I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but not too crazy. And I think I just had too much on my brush. Because I know I'm gonna do it already, I'm gonna take the smaller side of that Anastasia brush, and I'm gonna start smoking out the lower lash line with that shade. I'm taking that darker green, the Wildcraft shade now, and I'm just gonna pack this on the lid, and I'm just trying to stamp this because I want as much color payoff as possible. Yes, I did it all for love. That's really pretty, but you know what'll make it prettier? I'm going to lay down some of the NYX glitter primer and then put more on top of it because I really, really want it to pop. I actually do have something to do tonight. It's one of my very best friend's birthday. Well, yesterday was her birthday. but I'm going over to her house to hang out with her today. Oh yes, holy cow. You know, I was searching through all of my eyeshadow palettes for a good Christmas green. This is it, this is the one. This is Christmas green, which is awesome because I started pre-filming for a little Christmas series I'm gonna have here soon. So that's good, I'm gonna need this, I'm sure. I love this look so much, my goodness. Next I'm taking that lighter shade. It's called Nymph, it's that light green. It's on a really random dual-ended Urban Decay brush. I don't even know what I got this from. The Vice LTD. Wow, that's an old palette. I don't have that anymore. I got rid of that a long time ago. It was not very good. That's cute, but it needs to pop more. So we're gonna lay down some glitter primer. I want my inner corner to glow. I was gonna just go ahead and do the glitter primer first, but I wanted to see what it would look like without it. Holy cow! Okay, so these greens need a glitter helper. Not that they need it, they look fine without it, but holy cow, the intensity with just a little bit of glitter glue, that's insane. Spend the $6 or however much the NYX glitter primer is and treat yourself, because that's amazing. I love this. It's so cute. I'm gonna take some of that matte brown on that Anastasia just to deepen up the lower lash line a little bit. I like the shimmer on the lower lash line, but I just feel like it's making it a little too translucent. All right, really quick, I'm going to catch up to myself and do the other eye, and then we'll play with that glitter. All right, my eyes are matching now, so we're gonna play with some glitter. How do you guys think I'm gonna place the glitter? Place your bets now. Here's a hint, it's my favorite way to wear glitter. So I'm gonna take that random Urban Decay LTD brush, and I'm taking some NYX glitter primer, and I'm just gonna start sporadically patting this in the outer corner. Heavier focus on the actual lid area, and then just kind of patting it out towards the outer corner. And then I'm gonna dip my brush in some of that glitter. Oh, it's so cute. And I'm just gonna start laying this down. This is easily one of the prettiest glitters I have ever worked with in my life. And if you just avoid using the leaves, this is perfect for Christmas. I mean, it's perfect for anything, but I'm in Christmas mode right now. I actually don't even think I got any leaves on my glitter, but that's okay. Oh, I'm obsessed, that's so cute. All right, I'm going to do that to the other eye and then put on my lashes, and then we'll do the lips. Lashes are on. These are my Mega Babe lashes from Bold Face Makeup. They are literally falling apart. This is my actual last use. I've said this a few times. But now we're gonna pop on that Sigil, I don't know how to say it, liquid lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I love how it came out. This is potentially one of my favorite bags that they've come out with. If not my favorite bag, I feel like all the shadows performed beautifully, especially when I put down that glitter primer. Again, you don't have to have the primer, but I do feel like with these shadows, well, really loose shadows in general, it's good to have some kind of sticky base like that, just to get them as intense as possible. This glitter is amazing. I can't stop looking at my eyes. I'm obsessed. I really enjoy this lip color. It looks good. It feels good. Their Lip Good lipsticks are actually really good. I was a little weary when they first started sending them in their bags because I just thought they wouldn't be good. I don't know why I thought that. But they're actually really, really comfortable. They last a really long time and they don't suck the life out of my lips. Do you guys get the subscription? Did you get the same thing as me? I think they send out the same things in the bags, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you got it, let me know what you got. Is this something you'd be thinking about getting in the future? I highly recommend it. I think it's so fun. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.